Okay, 2005 Audi A4 as per the grab one voucher, which has been purchased $279 to replace the cam belt, and that includes labour. Tacked onto this was these additional items with 3 hours labour at the bottom just to do this work here, including most noticeably the intake manifold gas kit, the 2 sets of rocker covers which were advised to me to be leaking and needed to be replaced, and then the cam belt system including the tensioner, pulley, water pump and the seal kit. What we're most interested in here is the rocker cover and exhaust manifolds. As we can see, this is one of the rocker covers on the left hand side. You can see the sealer which has been put round the gasket all the way around. Down here a rudimentary cleaning job has been done off the oil that had leaked. We come over to the left hand rocker cover, it's perfectly clean. What we do find is that the bolts have not been removed. There's still the same, there's been no contact with any socket set or anything to remove this. The grime, if we rub it there, is consistent with never having been touched. The other one that was advised was done was the manifold cover. This is this here, the exhaust manifold. This is a very big job to get into. Now, as we can see, if we look down here, once again, no dirt or anything has been disturbed. In fact, if you look down, hopefully this will catch it, down here, there's even little bits of road debris and grime that are actually sitting on top of the manifold cover, which indicates it's never ever been taken off. Just makes it extremely obvious. Also, if you look down here, none of the bolts have any scratches or anything on them to indicate any tools have been near them. So this obviously calls into huge question, well, I think it's pretty obvious, the intake manifold gasket, which has been charged for and labour put on, and the rocker cover sets, they haven't even been touched. The only indication that this has been lifted, and there's no guarantee that from the Audi specialist at Qualitat, it's more than likely if you were going to use that much sealer, which is beyond the realms of normality when it comes to sealing any gasket, because it's supposed to be a new gasket, that would indicate that it was actually simply lifted and then just squirted with a whole lot of sealer. Obviously, as we can see, this would have had to be removed from the manifold. There's absolutely no indication that that bolt's come off or even moved for many years. It's just a very simple visual inspection which has been confirmed by Qualitat. And of course this was all done by Skylink Euro Auto Electrical Limited, 3 Tony Road, on the 23rd of the 9th 2016. Total bill for that $1,591 plus the $269 from the grab one, $279, so $280 on top of there. Just 16, 17, 18, just about $1,900 worth of work, and already we've got $260, $250, $210, all of that. So $600, $700, $800 that I can visually tell was not ever done. I was advised that this work here for the tensioner, the pulley and the water pump was all going to be included with the labour for the cam belt under that $280, because it was all a very quick job. Once you're in there, those parts are very simple to replace. Thank you.